trip as a whole, it's been just fantastic. I came over here with zero expectations on the bikes and the terrain, the food, the accommodation and the people. I know very little about Cambodia, and that was partially by choice, but the trip has been amazing. Food's been amazing, accommodation, the people, the riding that we did. We got to do so much different riding, from big tarmac runs to riding in sand, through rocks up in the hills, down along the coastline. It's been just spectacular, and some of the backcountry places that we got to visit that you would never see as a normal tourist. If that's up your alley as far as getting off the beaten path, then this is the one to go for.
Tour overall, I would say top level. The guide, you've got a backup vehicle. Those guys, they work so hard, you know. They service your bikes and all that at night, look after that. They cater to everything that you need. Always got a drink, always got water, they're always fussing over you. But the tour, what you see, where you go, what you see, overall, I rate it a 10 out of 10. That's all. I've been here a few times. I just think it's next level, really.